Today I will talk about how to solve U0 error code of a Daikin air conditioner. The model is FTXS35K2V1P. The problem is the air conditioner does not cool. The error code is U0. If the if there are shortage of coolant and coolant clogging, try finding the leakage and discharging coolant. If the thermistor is defective, you should repair or replace the thermistor. If the low pressure sensor is defective, you could replace the sensor. If the outdoor unit main BCP is defective, try, try repairing or replacing outdoor unit main BCP. To precaution, you should check that the base stand or other fixings of the outdoor unit are not decayed or corroded. Check the nothing blocks the air inlet and the outlet of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Ask a professional technician to maintain your air conditioner every year.